Hello, everyone. This is Miss Leslie Ding. How are you doing? We're having online classes again, and this is the first time I record video via Zoom. I hope you enjoy this new video. Today, we are going to study comparatives and superlatives. What are they? Let me show you some pictures so you will understand. Wow, what's that? Correct, they are all apples, but they are different in sizes. Bigger, big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger. Bigger is a comparative. The biggest is a superlative. Very nice. Now you know what are comparatives and what are superlatives. Very nice. Let's go to another picture. Wow, what are these? These are ice creams. So, good, better, the best. One ice cream is good. Two ice creams are better. Three ice creams are the best. Do you catch it? Better is a comparative. Best is the superlative. Okay, let's go to some words about comparatives and superlatives. Okay, let's go to this Excel file. All right, did you see? I hope it's clear. So today is February 24th. February 24th, 2021, Wednesday. Unit 3, Lesson 3, Grammar 1. Comparatives and superlatives. The first chart, okay, we say this as a chart or a table. The first chart is about comparatives and superlatives. The usage is adjective plus er or adjective plus est. And you can see the second chart here is comparatives becomes more plus adjective. Superlatives become the most plus adjective. Don't worry, let's read them, then you can understand. Let's read the first one. Big, bigger, the biggest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Make sure you will double G, okay? B-I-double-G-E-R. B-I-double-G-E-S-T. Big, bigger, the biggest. Next, old, older, the oldest. Old, older, the oldest. Here, T-H-E, we pronounce as the. Why? Because the letter is O. It's a vowel letter. So T-H-E before a vowel letter shall be pronounced as the. old, older, the oldest. Long, longer, the longest. Long, longer, the longest. What changed? Correct. G we pronounce as G, G. G-E-R we pronounce as G. So we pronounce as longer, longer. Superlative is the longest, the longest. Next, strong, stronger, the strongest. Strong, stronger, the strongest. The same thing is G, we pronounce as G, G. G-E-R, we pronounce as G, G. So it becomes stronger, the strongest. Tall, taller, the tallest. What changed here is O, originally O, pronounced as L, so becomes taller, taller. And the superlative is the tallest, the tallest. Tall, taller, the tallest. Next, fast, faster, the fastest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Next, slow, slower, the slowest. Slow, slower, the slowest. The next three are special words ending with Y. But why should I change it to I plus ER for comparatives, and Y becomes I plus EST for superlatives? Let's read them. Funny, funnier, the funniest. Funny, funnier, the funniest. Sporty, sportier, the sportiest. Sporty, sportier, the sportiest. Friendly, friendlier, the friendliest. Friendly, friendlier, the friendliest. Very good. Pay attention here again. Y change to I plus ER or EST. All right, let's go to the last two. These, we call them as irregular, comparatives, and superlatives. Irregular. Read after me. Good, better, the best. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Bad, worse, the worst. All right. Let's go to the second group or the second chart or the second table. Wow, what's the difference here? Correct. The comparatives are not plus ER or superlatives plus EST. They become more plus adjective or the most plus adjective. So let's read them. Exciting, more exciting, the most exciting. exciting, more exciting, the most exciting. Famous, more famous, the most famous. Famous, more famous, the most famous. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Wow. Some students may ask, Miss Ding, I know what are comparatives and what are superlatives now, but how to use them? Good question. Let's take a look of these sentences. Group 1, let's read them. A is bigger than B. A is bigger than B. When you see than, T-H-A-N, than, it means it's a comparative sentence. So big changed to bigger. The second sentence, A is the biggest in the school. A is the biggest in the school. Correct. The biggest is superlative. Group 2. A is more difficult than B. A is more difficult than B. Than is used in comparative sentence. Very good. Sentence number 2. A is the most difficult one in the test. A is the most difficult one in the test. Superlative. The most difficult is superlative. Here we got 2 rules. Rule number 1, comparative is comparing between 2 people or 2 things. Okay? Look at me. Comparative is comparing between 2 people or 2 things. So we'll say A is bigger than B. 2 things or 2 people, okay? Rule number 2, superlative is comparing among 3 or more than 3 people or things. So we'll say at least 3. So we'll say A is the most difficult one in the test. Because in the test, you have a lot to do, but A is the most difficult. There are at least 3. Understand? All right. So do you have homework today or this week? Yes, you do. You have homework to do. Please copy these words. What are these words? Correct. All the words in red color. Okay, big, bigger, the biggest, and all these. Exciting, more exciting, the most exciting. Please copy each word 3 times. Let me see you do a good job. All right, everyone, please send your homework to me by messenger. Okay, before we finish, we can take a look at some cute pictures about comparatives and superlatives again. Okay, let's read again. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Difficult, more difficult, the most difficult. Okay, let me show you more. Just a minute. Okay, this one. Oops. Just bear for a minute. Did you see? Fast, faster, fastest, fast, faster, fastest. All right, let's read the last one that you can understand. Happy, happier, the happiest. Did you notice what changed? Y changed to I, plus ER is a comparative. Y changed to I plus EST becomes superlative. Very good. Let's read a final time. Happy, happier, the happiest. Excellent. I'll see you next time in Zoom. I hope everyone will join Zoom this time. Nobody will miss. Can you? Let's cheer. So, goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.